Have you ever seen the dreaded fatal error, maximum execution time exceeded message while working on your WordPress site? Don't worry, in this video, we'll walk you through all the possible ways to fix this error, step by step. Let's get started. This error occurs when a script takes too long to execute and exceeds the server's maximum execution time limit. It's common during tasks like updating plugins, importing large files, or running heavy scripts. Fixing it is straightforward, and I'll show you multiple methods based on your hosting setup. Method 1. Increase execution time using php.ini. First, let's modify the php.ini file. This method works best if you have access to your server's configuration files. Access the root directory. Log into your hosting account and open the file manager, or use an FTP client to access your WordPress site's root directory. Edit php.ini. Find the php.ini file in the root folder. This sets the maximum execution time to 300 seconds. Save the file and refresh your site to see if the issue is resolved. Method 2. Adjust the time in wp-config.php. If you don't have access to php.ini, you can use the wp-config.php file. Navigate to the root directory and open the wp-config.php file for editing. Add this line near the top of the file, save your changes, and check your site. Method 3. Change settings via Hosting Control Panel. Most hosting providers let you adjust PHP settings directly from their control panel. Go to your cPanel or hosting dashboard. Look for Select PHP Version or PHP Options. Increase the max_execution_ time to 300 or higher. Click Save and reload your website. Method 4. Use a WordPress plugin. For a simpler approach, you can use a plugin to increase the execution time. Go to the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and click Add New, and search for WP Maximum Execution Time Exceeded or similar plugins. Install and activate the plugin, then follow the plugin's instructions to adjust the execution time. Method 5. Contact your hosting provider. If you're unable to fix the error yourself, reach out to your hosting provider. Send them a message explaining the error and request an increase in the max_execution_ time limit. Most providers will apply this change quickly, especially if you're on a managed hosting plan. To avoid running into this error frequently, consider these tips. Optimize your plugins and themes to reduce server load. Use a hosting plan suitable for your website's needs. Regularly monitor your website's performance and address slow loading scripts. And there you have it. You now know multiple ways to fix the maximum execution time exceeded error in WordPress. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!